it's only a potter up the line for about 5 or 10 minutes. It's a far cry from the log before, which is blue peat out in the shell. Slightly different. This is beautiful. Yeah, it is.
No, it wasn't. That's why I said come and see it.
There it is.
I've seen it running for years.
Hello, alright.
Sorry, what did you say about Blue Peter? Is that the last?
That was so I just notes.
Yeah.
Previous set of notes was the trip a few weeks ago. We went from Crewe to Carlisle
Oh, you went on that, did you?
on the west coast. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Looks lovely that in that blue, doesn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Dumping Temple Meads for ages. That's taken one of them.
Yeah, it was in the old fish stop.
Yeah.
We started this man.
You know,
Yeah, but the miniature element, right side.
A little more running today, but should do.
7¼ inch gauge. Way, isn't it?
Yeah, it comes up to Cranmore West.
Is it? Yeah.
There's a little station there by the sheds. Yeah. Through route.